Garrett, okay.
Is that the landing pad for it?
Right, well, take off from there. Now, here's the thing. You see these sensors here?
Yeah.
That detects the ground, so you can't crash it to the ground. You see these sensors here? You can't crash it sideways or this way. It won't. It stops it. Okay, and then above.
Is that the camera?
That's the camera. It's the 6K camera right there, or 4K, 1K.
How it works down in the ground.
Well, he controls it. Mr. Rob controls
Yeah,
it when
see,
he's flying around.
I control it with that. With that, yeah. So it transmits the information to the drone.
But we were watching your drone when we were playing soccer.
Okay, yeah. You were watching this here. Okay.
There came a point where soccer wasn't holding the attention quite as much anymore.
So you like to fly a drone,
Yeah,
I see.
He loves.
And there's my FAA license. See.
And
awesome.
And why it has lights?
What's that?
Why it has lights on it?
Oh, at night. If I do night flying.
That's part of the FAA cert, right?
Right.
It's gotta have the red and the green on it.
Right. Well, you gotta Well, you gotta have a strobe on it.
Oh, okay.
For night flying, I got a strobe like an aircraft strobe. Yeah. But I don't fly at night.
I actually used to work for Southwest Airlines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Aircraft repairs.
Is that the front?
Oh, you did? You work on aircraft?
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's why we.
There's
certain things like, God, this kid is more of a gearhead than I ever was.
Yeah, he's just.
And so
it looks like a jet.
It looks like a jet?
Yeah, because those blasters on the.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, just like engines.
Right, like engines. Right. That's sensors too, backup sensors. That's right. And this is, like I said, the Autel EVO II Pro.
That's cool.
You go on Amazon. I got it from Amazon.
Oh, nice.
Can you please put it on the landing pad? So
You want to go to landing pad? Okay, that's the landing pad right there.
Okay, now listen. Listen, we're going to leave Mr. Rob alone in a minute, and we're going to thank him for showing us this cool drone.
Okay, but I want you to put it on.
All right, I'll put it on there, yeah. Okay.
And how do it slide off of it?
Yeah, as soon as I start the propellers, it'll and it creates it pushes down air, and it creates a lift.
Oh, can you turn it on again and I want to see it fly?
All right, we'll back away on the turn on.
So we're safe, okay? And then we'll get out of here.
Yeah, okay. No problem. No, it's no problem. I have 2 boys myself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But they're married. Okay. So I'm recording all this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, everything, even the footage on the All right. You see that right there? All right. All right, here we go.